Huzur, from Dhaka, Mubashirur Rahman Sahab, Sadr Ansarullah, he sends this question to you. He says, Inshallah, in future, Ahmadi states will come into being. So, naturally, the economy of those Ahmadi states will be interest-free. So, his question is, the surrounding non-Ahmadi states, of course, they will run their business on the basis of interest. So how Ahmadiyya state will interact with those states?
And these states will enter into barter system instead of based on usury and interest. So this is possible. They can barter things and there are no interest involved. For a long time, Russia did the same thing. Russia exchanged with the rest of the world barter system things. She gave to them and got things in exchange.